Hi friends, this is Meerub from the channel. We are making beautiful birthday cards, so let's get started. This is a unique birthday card. It's so beautiful. If you like this, please like and subscribe my channel.
And when you go, I will fall back apart. Find pieces of me all over the yard. In this house of cards, she says, hey man, there were just too many days. When our good intentions only got in the way. And I almost never know what I should say. Maybe nothing nowhere ever was that old.